Here's how to install the Sonos ONE Tilt and Swivel wall mount. First, let's check what's in the box. 2 wall anchors, 2 screw caps, 2 wall screws, 2 M5 screws, 1 wall mount, 1 speaker mount, and a tilt and swivel mechanism. Here are the tools needed for this job. Now let me explain how to mark and drill on different wall types. Start by using the spirit level to check the wall mount's alignment. Then mark the screw holes as preparations for drilling. Here's how to drill on a drywall. Use 5/16 inch drywall drill bits with 1 3/8 inches drill depth marked by tape. Then drill the holes, stopping at the marked depth. After drilling, insert the wall anchors to support the wall screws. Now let's move on to drilling on wood stud plyboard. Use a 1 1/8 inch wood drill bit with a drill depth of 1 3/4 inch marked by tape. Start drilling the holes, stopping at the marked depth. No wall anchors are needed for this, as the wood studs will serve as the screw anchors. Lastly, this is how to drill on a concrete wall. For this one, we'll use a 5/16 inch masonry drill bit with 1 3/8 inches drill depth. Drill the wall to the marked depth. And like with the drywall, we'll need to insert the wall anchors to support the wall screws. Now let's proceed with installing the wall mount and the speaker. First, secure the wall mount with the provided wall screws. Next, attach the tilt and swivel mechanisms to the wall mount. Pull the mechanism down to lock it in place. Attach the speaker mount to the tilt and swivel mechanism. Then lock in place using the provided M5 screws. Next, cover the screws with the provided screw caps. Then, wedge the power cable into our new and improved power lock, which secures the speakers more tightly and securely than previous designs. Lastly, connect the speaker firmly to the power lock and power cable. You can tilt and swivel your speaker to your preferred angle at this point. Finally, attach the tilt and swivel mechanism's bottom cover, and you're done.